This is going to be a game changer for me.
Oh, what's occurring?
Hi, welcome back to the channel. I've been busy again. I've been on the internet and spending money. Now, if you look back at my previous videos, before I had a single seat put in, you will see that I used this bit here to have basically a blanket over it, so when I was in the back, to black out the front. I couldn't get in the front anyway because it was a double seat. So now that it's a single seat, I wanted blinds for the front. Now I looked over on the internet and David actually got me some cheapy ones. I think they were about £20 on eBay. But to be honest with you, I could have paid £100 for them. It didn't mean anything. They were crap. They were a pain in the neck. So these ones, you can see supposed to stick onto the window. They're thermal blinds, but they are pathetic. They crease, the material is crap. Sorry, but it is crap. Yeah, and they're a pain in the neck to put on. I'll show you. They're just useless. I can't even do it. They're pathetic. Absolutely pathetic. Oh, and the other thing is, when you eventually do get them on, they stick to the window, so blinds get wet through condensation. Anybody want them for nothing? Drop me a line, pay for postage, and you can have them. So I had a little research on the internet and on Facebook actually, and I came across this company called Creative Covers. So I had a little look through them and I found them through the Ford Transit custom group. They were advertised on there and they do the blinds for the cabs for many of the VWs and the Fords for many different and they look great. So I had a look at them and priced them up. They weren't as cheap as the £20, but you pay for what you get. Contacted the gentleman there and he said give them a go. So I'm waiting for them to turn up. Can't wait.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So they've arrived in the post today. Wow. That's a neat little bag, isn't it? And I got to say, they're very compact and they're quite light as well. So that can fit, quite easily somewhere for storage. They're handy. Oh, I could also use it as a pillow, I think. Yeah, I like that. The material is really nice. So we've got two for the side windows and then one big one for the front, and also, which I'll show you a little bit later, these actually button on to the side of the very front screen. I'm not sure whether that'll be a David job, but we'll give it a go anyway. What I like about this as well is the bag is made out of the same material, and the material is not like the other cheapy ones that I had, but it doesn't crease. So when you fold it up and compact it, and then obviously you want it nice and flat for the screen, it doesn't make any difference that you folded it up. It doesn't make any creases in it, so that's marvellous. This is the one for the side drivers or passengers, I'm not quite sure. But in this, they've got little magnets in there. 1, 2, 3. They got quite a few round, in the places where you need them the most. So yeah, once you get it all flat out, and it feels so light, and as I said, you can scrumple it up but it doesn't crease. So I'm going to give these a go now. Do the first ones, we'll do the side ones first to see how easy they are to put on. So let's give these a go. Let's see how easy they are. Oh my god, seconds. Perfect. So as you can see, they went on really, really easy. However, if it's raining outside, and it's starting to pick to rain now, when I pull up somewhere, I don't really want to be putting them on outside. So I was wondering whether I could put them inside, because now they're up, but they're a little bit tight because they're in the door. And I don't want to pull them, so let's see if I can put them on from the inside. Here we go again. Perfect! I don't even have to get out of the van. And then to take them off, voila! So now to the front screen. So there's no magnets on this one, but we've got little poppers that can go down the side here to secure it on. And there's those little poppers. Might need a little help from David for that. And then you've got a little strap here that goes on the visor. Go around the other side for that. So as you can see, I've got my mirror here, my little phone, which I'm not getting rid of. I'm keeping that there, and that is fine. And when these are clipped in, I'll go and show you how to do the other side. Just clip these in here once I've got the poppers. That's done. And the great thing about this is that because it's not right close to the windscreen, if there is any condensation, it's not going to get the blinds wet. So I've done the first one, that's all ready. I'm now going to do the second one using a brado. There we go. Sorted. So as you can see, I've done the same the other side. But I was a little bit concerned because I love this phone holder. But easy way around it. Just pop it back like that. Pop it in. Perfect. Make sure these are up. And also with the dash cam, don't make any difference. I don't need to move anything, just keep it as it is. Brilliant. Now I've only put 2 on each side for this, but there is another spare 2 and then another 2 clips on here, but I don't think we need it because that's all I'm doing is just putting it like that. But they are there if you need it. Well, it looks pretty dark to me. We'll have a little look now this evening and see what we can see on the outside. So now for packing away, and this is a game changer for me again. You just pull them off from the inside. I don't have to go outside to put them on. I don't have to go outside to take them off. You just fold them up. Now this is the big one. Just fold this up. Place them in the bag. And honestly, it is as easy as that. So as I said earlier, Creative Covers, Sam Conroy sent me these to do a review on, and honestly I couldn't wish for anything better. They are really a game changer for us. So light, so easy, so versatile, so easy to put on. Fantastic. So a big thank you to him. And here are his contact details, and they'll be in the description. Sam has also been really generous for all our subscribers out there. If they're looking to buy these blinds and you use the code, which is just below here, What's Occurring 2025, when you order and get in touch with Sam, it will be a further 5% off the sale price. Woohoo! So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, drop a comment what you use in the van, and I only wish that they had more for the rest of my van, but I think that is something that they are planning to do as well. So these can just pop in there. Fab. I just want to show you what it's like in the night, so what you can see outside. So I've put the lights on, and let's have a look outside. Blinds are up. Blinds are up and I can't see anything. So happy days. That's all David's going to do now is sort the back out. And this is what it's like in the night, with the blinds all up and the lights off. Complete darkness. Just want to say as well, these blinds have been up for 24 hours and they've not fallen or anything. Be brilliant. See you on the next one.
Oh, what's occurring?